Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to work with LTX Director and the Sulfur 2 model, a modified LTX 2.3 FP8 and BF16 are essentially different models. FP8 is a compressed version, lighter on resources, but the results are worse. Starting the bundle, all right, the bundle is ready to go. Opening Comfy UI. On every launch, this workflow is installed straight from the developer's GitHub, so you always work with the latest version of LTX Director. This is the main node where all the work happens. It's better to test generation on a short time span first, so you don't have to wait long. Then, if needed, put all the prompts and settings together and generate the whole video. Split your prompts into short time intervals. The model generates video duration so that what you planned has time to happen without being slowed down. With the wrong duration, the model can hallucinate. I'll go through several ways to generate. All right, I'll start with generating video from an image. First, I'll show you how to make a person in a photo say the text we need. I've already prepared the images and prompts, so we don't waste time now on the trial and error you'll definitely face when working from scratch for real. Adding the image. Writing the prompt. I'll set the video duration to 7 seconds. Running it. In this node, you can see the generation process. Let's see what we got.
No. I've decided to press the nuclear button. Let's go!
The voice can be changed afterwards with the Cozy Voice 3 voice model. It replaces the voice in a recording with the voice from an audio sample. Now I'll go through generating video from an image plus audio. I generated the voice in advance from text and a voice sample in the Fish Audio S2 voice model. In this case, the person in the image will speak the ready-made voice recording. The in-paint option allows or forbids changing the audio track. I'll turn it off since I already have the recording. Adding the image. Adding the audio. The prompt. I'm using the global prompt because it applies to the whole video. I set the video duration equal to the audio duration. Run. Done.
We will hack whole world with Imbutus.com.
We can also add a timing and a prompt at the start or the end of a finished video. The model will then extend the video, generating the missing fragment at that timing. I'll load the video. If we place the video at the start and leave room at the end, the video will be continued. If we leave room at the start, generation will happen in that spot. Also, in this case, it's very important to set the frame rate to match the source video. To find out a video's frame rate, I'll run this command. Frame rate is 60 frames per second. I'll set that value. I'll set the duration a bit longer than the video, 6 seconds. I'll paste the prompt. All the prompts and commands will be in the description of this video. Running it. First, I'll show the original video.
And I'm assuming that the reason why Ludwig will never say.
Let's see what we got.
And I'm assuming that the reason why Ludwig will never say is it's chess.
I'll stop the session. I hope this was useful. Good luck with your work, and goodbye.